Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a free affiliate program that pays through PayPal. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. This actually would be what you call a cost per acquisition program. And that is when you get paid when somebody takes a certain action. And it's also an affiliate program as well. But I wanted to tell you about it because there's a lot of people that ask me, is there anything that I can do to make money online where I don't have to pay anything? Okay, so this is called Funnel X Advanced. It's a system by David Deacle. And you get paid to generate leads, and they have to meet certain criteria. So what you would do is you're going to get a link to promote right here. You're going to be driving traffic to that link, and it's going to come to this page right here, and then it walks them through exactly what the program is. But the criteria that must be met in order for you to get paid, which is $1 per lead, is, let's see, the first one is it has to come through your link, of course. The second thing is that they must register on a desktop or a laptop, and it can only be in these 5 countries: the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. Now, just if you don't live in those countries, that's okay. You can still get paid through, as long as you have PayPal. Okay, but you only get paid on those 5 countries. But if you are out of those 5 countries, you can still participate in this program and get paid $1 a lead. Then the other criteria is that they have to be new to the system. They couldn't be registered anywhere else, and they must have a valid email. Then they must go, once they register, they must go and click on the link in the email to confirm. And then after that, they have to engage in the system by at least logging in and putting in their PayPal email in step 1. And that's it. Those 5 criteria, then you get paid $1. And the way, again, you get paid is through PayPal. All commissions are paid out on the 27th for the previous month's earning, and you have to earn at least $30 before they pay out your commissions. But you can imagine that this can definitely add up. $1 per lead is not a small amount, because this is not difficult to criteria to meet to get paid the $1. So that's the free part. If you choose, there is another part that is you do pay for, but you can earn a lot more money. But what I really wanted to show you was this part where it costs you absolutely nothing. You don't need an autoresponder or anything, and then they will market to them once they come in as your lead. But if you do want to upgrade, let me show you what that is. This is what I consider the affiliate part. This part here I consider CPA, or cost per acquisition. The first level is right here. It's you earn $100 commission, you pay $197. You're going to get these lead capture pages. So, okay, if you do upgrade to any of these levels and you want to get the lead capture page, they will do all this for you. They'll set everything up. You'll have your autoresponder messages just automatically loaded, but you have to use the Now Lifestyle autoresponder, which is $50 a month. But again, these will, if anyone you refer to the system upgrades to Builder, then you'll get $100 commission. And these are really great high converting lead capture pages. All right, and then let me show you the bonuses that come with that. 20-minute traffic expert, team traffic co-op, excuse me, access pass, private one-on-one traffic co-op call, 10% extra website visitors to your next co-op, lifetime builder account upgrade. And then the next level that you could buy into is the super affiliate And that bonus would be the Miracle Attraction Sequence. 100 extra visitors to your next co-op run and access to live Ask Me Anything calls. And that one is $597, and you would earn $374 commission on that if anyone of your leads upgrades to these levels. And then the last one is the leader level. And David explains in each one of these videos what it is, what you get. And then you would earn up to $1,074 in commissions per referral. And that includes the other levels: access to private mastermind group for leader members only, live Q&A sessions, beta access to any of his future money-making systems. And then the reseller license, of course, is 50% commissions. That's how you would earn the $1,074. Fast action bonuses: you get live traffic case study access, 60 days private coaching and mentoring, extra 300 visitor bonus on your next traffic co-op run, and priority support. And that is $1,997. But again, and then you have the team. You have the team traffic co-op that you could take part of in, and of course this is paid, but that is there as well. Again, totally free. Generate leads, get paid $1 per lead. So this can definitely add up. And we just want to let you guys know about it because it is something that you can do in any country as long as you have PayPal as a way to get paid for generating these leads. So I hope you found this valuable as far as free affiliate programs that pay through PayPal. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below this video. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, how to earn a full-time income, you can check out the first link in the description below this video if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.